Silent. Today our discussion topic is bridge rectifier circuit with working operation and their types. Bridge rectifier circuit with working operations and their types. Introductions. A bridge rectifier circuit is a common part of the electronic power supplies. Many electric circuits require rectified DC power supply for powering the various electric base components from available AC main supply. We can find this rectifier in a wide variety to electric AC power device like home appliances, motors, controllers, modulation process, welding applications, etc. Bridge rectifier circuit with working operations and their types. What is a bridge rectifier? First means then is what is a bridge rectifier? A bridge rectifier is an alternating current AC to direct current DC converter. A bridge rectifier is an alternating current AC to direct current DC converter. Bridge rectifier means AC input to DC output. Bridge rectifiers means AC output to AC input to DC output. Bridge rectifier are widely used in power supplies. It provides necessary DC voltage. For the electronic component or devices. What is bridge rectifier? It is very important. This is the introduction of the bridge rectifiers. First one is a bridge rectifier can be constructed with 4 or more diodes or any other controlled solid state switches. Depending on the load current requirement, a proper bridge rectifier is selected. Showing this diagram, there are using in one or more diodes in the circuit diagrams. Type of bridge rectifiers is bridge rectifiers are classified into several types based on those factors. Types of supply controlling capacities, bridge circuit of configurations, etc. etc. Bridge rectifiers are mainly classified into signal and three phases rectifiers. Both their types are further classified into uncontrolled and off controlled and full controlled rectifier. Off controlled, full controlled rectifier. Single phase and three phase rectifiers will be there. This showing the diagrams. There is a full wave rectifier, there is single phase rectifier, and there is this. Both are the single phase and three phase rectifiers. A single phase or three phase supplied decided their rectifiers. Second point is the single phase bridge rectifier consists of four diodes for core converter AC to AC into DC. A three phase rectifier use six diodes. This can be again uncontrolled or controlled rectifiers depending on the circuit components such as diodes, type resistance, and so on. This is the uncontrolled bridge rectifiers. There is the single phase rectifier. When the single phase rectifier circuit diagram is shown above slide, in this slide there are using four diodes, diode D1, D2, D3, D4. When diode D4 and D3 will be connected to forward bias, and D1, D2 diodes will be connected to reverse bias. They are connected to types of the single phase bridge. Input signal will be connected into in between of diode 1 to diode 4, and second pin is negative pin is connected to diode 2, diode 3. When we got output voltage in the load resistance, that is RL, we got the output resistance. Mainly importance of the rectifiers means they input AC voltage in converted into DC output voltage. DC output voltage is the main application of the diode. They using a normal PN junction diode connected to diode 1 plus connected to diode 3, diode 3 minus connected to diode 2 plus, diode 2 minus connected to diode 4 minus, diode 4 plus connected to diode 1 minus. They are connected to bridge rectifiers bridges. Uncontrolled bridge rectifiers. Uncontrolled bridge rectifiers uses diodes for rectifying the input. The diode is an unidirectional diode that allows the current flow in one direction only. With this configuration of diodes in the rectifier, it doesn't allow the power to vary depend on the load requirement. This type of rectifier used is constant or fixed power supply. Fixed power supply. This is the very important factors of the uncontrolled bridge rectifiers. First one is uncontrolled bridge rectifiers use diode for rectification to input. For example, if we will given input voltage in AC, the diode will be connected to DC voltage. The diode is unidirectional device that allows the current flow in one direction only. only will be given to negative current, will be negative current only passing throughout the diode, or positive current will be given to input, then positive current will be allows the diodes. It means the diode is unidirectional device that allows the current flow in one direction only. With the configuration of diode, it is rectifier. There is a two type of configuration in there. One is forward bias configurations, second one is reverse bias configurations. With the configuration of diode, in this rectification only, the forward bias or reverse bias, it doesn't allow the power to vary depending to the load requirement. Where depends upon the load requirement, there will be to AC current to DC current. This type of rectifiers is used to constant fixed power supplies. Saturation region will be, power supply will be there in the uncontrolled bridge rectifiers. Controlled bridge rectifier in basic circuit diagram will be there in slide. There are using silicon control diodes. There are four silicon control diodes, that ones SCR1, SCR2, SCR3 and SCR4. First SCR1 silicon control diode 1 plus connected to silicon control diode 4 minus, and silicon control diode 4 plus connected to silicon control diode plus, silicon control diode, third silicon control diode plus, third silicon control diode minus connected to second silicon control diode plus, second silicon control diode plus minus connected to first silicon control diode minus. There will be formation of the bridge. The bridge will be, input is given to in between of silicon control diode 1, silicon control diode 4, and second pin will be given to silicon control diode 2, in between silicon control diode 2, silicon control diode 3. You will gain will be receiving in load resistance, that is RL. There will be in between of control diode silicon control diode 1 to silicon control diode 2, and another pin is silicon control diode 3 to silicon control diode 4. Controlled bridge rectifiers. There is important factor in there, in that is in controlled bridge rectifiers, AC or DC convert to rectifiers. In AC current will be connected to convert to into DC current. The bridge rectifier is very useful items. When bridge rectifier is made in with PN junction diodes or silicon control diodes will be there. Due to silicon control diode or PN junction diode, there are working in unidirectionality only. Therefore, the only unidirectional, that is rectifications. Rectification. Their PN junction diode or silicon control diode using in rectification process. The rectification is AC current to changes into DC current, or AC voltage changes into DC voltages. They are also using in PN junction diode in amplification process, and also using in PN junction diode in electrical switches. Electrical switches are PN junction diode connected to forward bias. The electrical switches are negative, and forward bias connected to negative, and reverse bias connected to PN junction diode in electrical switches in positive. The controller's solid state device like SCR, that means silicon control diode, and MOSFET, comma, IGBT ATC are used to vary the output power is at different voltages. The device is various instant of output power at the load approximately changed. Bridge rectifier circuit diagram will be there. Their bridge rectifier amplification process will be there. There are R1, R2, R3 is the load resistance of the bridge rectifier. C1, C2, C3 are the capacitance of the bridge rectifier. In the diagram is D1, D2, D3, D4. The four types, four PN junction diode using in circuit diagrams. There are primary part and there are secondary part. The primary part is transforming, and second part is rectifications. Second part is the rectification. This is the basic diagram of the circuit diagram of the bridge rectifier process. Bridge rectifier circuit diagram explaining and connecting process is: bridge rectifier circuit doesn't need to center tap transformer, so that the resemble law of cost rectifier. The bridge rectifier circuit diagram consists of various stages of device like transformer, comma, diode bridge, comma, filtering and regulators. Where is regulator means that is Jena diode. All those blocks are combination is called as regulated DC power supply that powers various of electronic appliances. Bridge rectifier circuit diagrams. The first stage of the circuit is transfer, which is a step down type. It changes to the amplitude of the input voltage. Most of the electronic projects are used 230 by 12 volt transformer to step down. The AC means 230 voltage to 12 volt AC power supply. Next stage is a diode bridge rectifier, which used for the one or more diodes. It's depending on the types of bridge rectifier. Depends upon the bridge rectifier. Bridge rectification diagram important topic points is: choosing a particular diodes or other switching diodes for a corresponding rectifier, that are PN junction diodes or silicon control diodes and etc, etc. It needs some considerations of the device like a peak inverse voltage, forward current of the voltage ratings. It is responsible for the protecting unidirectional of DC current at the load, conducting a set of diode for every off cycle of the input signal. The output after the diode bridge rectification is the floating natures. For producing a AC pure DC filtering is necessary. Filtering is a normally performed with one or more capacitance attached across the load. Capacitor's rating also depends upon the output voltages. The last stage of the regulated DC power supply is voltage regulator. It means the output voltage to a connected constant level. A voltage regulator is necessary in bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier working principle is a signal phase bridge rectifier consists of four diodes, and this configuration is connected across the load. During the positive off cycle of the input AC waveform, diode D1 and D2 as forward bias. Diode D3 and D4 are reverse bias. When the voltage more than threshold level of the diode D1 and D2 starts are conducting, the load current start of falling through it. During the negative off cycle of the input AC waveform, the diodes D3 and D4 are forward bias and are reverse biases. We can observe the both cases. The load current direction is same, that is unidirectional, which means DC current. Using bridge rectifier, the input AC current is converted into DC current. The output at the load with the bridge wave factor, the rectifier is flatting in the nature, but for producing a pure DC require additional filtering like a capacitors. The same operation is applicable for the in case of the controller rectifier. Next one is advantages of the means the advantages of the bridge current. It is the does not require a specific center tapping transistor. Higher output voltage, higher output power, and higher transformer utilization factor 2UF in case of full wave rectifier. Transformer utilization factor in case of bridge rectifier is higher than that is the center tap rectifier. Center tap the rectifier. Disadvantages of the bridge rectifier. The main disadvantages of bridge rectifier, it is need to four diodes. Total voltage drop in diode become double of the cases of center tap rectifier. losses or increases and rectification efficiency is sawtooth reduced. Another disadvantages of bridge rectifier is that the load resistance RL and the supply source have no common point with many earth. Application of the bridge rectifier. The first application of the bridge rectifier is the main application of the bridge rectifier is to convert AC power to DC power because of their low cost compared to center tapped. They are widely used in power supply circuit. This can be used to detect the amplitude of the modulated radio signal. Bridge rectifier can be used to supply polarized voltage in welding. This is the topic of the bridge rectification. Once again, seeing basic circuit of the bridge rectification, they are usually in four diodes. There are four PN junction diodes: D1, D2, D3, and D4. Where D1 and D2 diodes are connected to forward bias, and D3 and D4 diodes are connected to reverse bias. Where is the C1, C2, C3 capacitors of the rectification capacitance, and R resistance is the load resistance will be there. Their output is connected to load resistance. There will be controlled. Next diagram is uncontrolled bridge rectifier is there are the D1, D2, D3, D4 normal PN junction diodes. They are connected to in bridge pattern where D1, D2 PN junction diode normally connected to forward bias system, and D3, D4 diode connected normal to the reverse bias system, where input signal given to in between D1, D4 and D3, D2. Their output signal will be receiving to gain is D1, D2 and D3, D4. Uncontrolled and controlled bridge rectifier, there are using 4 SCR. 4 SCR means silicon control diodes. There are 4 SCR in SCR1, SCR2, SCR3, SCR4. Where SCR1, SCR2 and SCR3, SCR4. Here SCR2 and CR4 will be connected to forward bias. SCR1, SCR3 will be connected to reverse bias. Where input is given to input signal will be given to SCR diodes in between of diode 1 to diode 4 and diode 2 to diode 3. Their output is gain will be taken as silicon control diode 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. This is the topic of the bridge rectification circuit with working operation. Their type is there is the types of the types. अभी पे करो ऐसे करो ये डेटा है इसे डेटा से थोड़ा कंप्यूटर मारना है सॉफ्ट कॉपी ले लो या मारा तीसरा दे दो तो तीसरा साथ तो बोले ले खाना हे इंदा रे आगे जरा की कोई क्या है वो भी सारा उले